Hello everyone. Step 1. To get the window bars in the middle like Windows 11 in Windows 10 operating systems. Download the program I gave in the description below the video. Step 2. Let's unrare our downloaded file. Step 3. Let's double-click the rainmeter.exe file. Let's perform the Step 4 installation. Step 5. Finally, let's double-click the Taskbar file. As you can see in Step 6 video, the shortcuts are placed in the middle of the window like in Windows 11. Step 7. If the rainmeter file is not removed by going to the control panel and clicking Add or Remove Programs, your Windows will start like this. Step 8. Our windows will remain fixed in the middle.